Hi everyone, in this video let's see what is a gummy smile. A gummy smile is a condition in which a large or excessive amount of gingival tissue becomes visible while speaking or smiling. In normal individuals, it is not seen or only a small amount of gingiva will be seen while speaking or smiling. It is in a range of 2 to 4 mm. But when more than 3 to 4 mm of gingival tissue become exposed, it is called a gummy smile. Actually, it is not a health problem, but it is mainly a cosmetic concern and can affect a person's confidence and smile aesthetics. Now, let's see the causes for a gummy smile. It can be mainly due to the problems associated with the gingiva, lips, teeth, or the jaw. So, let's see. Mainly, it can be due to the excessive growth of gingival tissue or small or short teeth, hyperactive upper lip muscles, short upper lip, dentoalveolar extrusion, alveolar overgrowth, altered passive eruption, or it can be due to the excessive vertical development of maxilla. Also, many of the patients with mouth breathing habit are having a classic adenoid species. On smiling, many of them may reveal a large amount of gingival tissue, producing them a gummy smile. Now, let's see the treatment options. Treatment depends upon the cause and severity of the condition. So, let's see. It mainly includes gingivectomy or crown lengthening procedures. This will remove excess gingival tissue. The modern technology includes use of lasers, that is laser gum contouring. Botox injections or botulinum toxin injections are also can be done for reducing the upper lip movement. Also, lip repositioning surgeries can also be done. Then, coming to the orthodontic treatment, orthodontic inclusion is mainly done using braces or aligners. Special segmented wires are also available. For example, Ricketts intrusion arch. This will help to intrude the anteriors. Temporary anchorage device, also known as mini screws or mini implants, are also available for intruding upper arch. Then, in severe vertical maxillary excess or jaw-related cases, orthodontic surgery can be done. If the cause is due to a combination of many of these, then multidisciplinary approach can be done. So, as to conclude, a gummy smile can be effectively corrected with modern dental and cosmetic procedures. A proper diagnosis and individualized treatment plan will help to achieve a more balanced and attractive smile. Thank you.